Maharaja Sanajaoba Leishemba, please.
Sir, my supplementary question to the Honorable Minister is that, sir, how many developmental works or projects have been taken up by donor ministry in the last 3 years in Northeast region, and details of work or project thereof? Thank you, sir.
So I'd like to thank the honourable member for his question. Most importantly, sir, the Northeast region was always seen as the last point of India. The Prime Minister over the last decade has turned this concept on its head and made the Northeast region the first point of India. The Northeast, and especially Arunachal Pradesh, along with all the other states, occupy a very important part of India's historical, cultural, and now economic agenda going forward. And with that notion in mind, some facts I'd like to place before the House through you, sir. Our cumulative expenditure in the Northeast over the last 10 years has been 5.22 lakh crores against an allocation of 5.15 lakh crores. Never before in the history of independent India over the last 75 years has such a large allocation been made to the Northeast. Even in the pure tenure of this government, sir, the revised estimates from 24-14 to 2014-15 from 27,539 crores last year have been increased to 91,802 crores, which is an increase of almost 3.5 times over a 10-year period. And so has the actual expenditure gone up 3.5 times. The last 3 years has seen an exceptional expenditure rate in India. 103% in 21-22, 113% in 22-23, and 112% in 23-24. And last year, sir, has been historical because over 1 lakh crore has been spent purely in the Northeast by Government of India. That is the importance that the Government of India attaches to the development in the Northeast. As far as donor is concerned, sir, we have 271 projects that have been sanctioned in the Northeast under our 5 schemes, a total allocation of almost close to about 5,666 crores for the last year, and almost 20,500 crores over the last 5 years, in the last 10 years in the Northeast region.